Good morning. How are you? So, uh, this video just designed for friend. Okay. Uh, Welcome. Today I will demonstrate for you the new tool currently used for big data, data mining, and machine learning. We have two parts. The first part, I will demonstrate to you how I visualize your data, big data. If you structure your data correctly, I will visualize it in a matter of milliseconds. Okay, let's start it. Okay, so let me introduce a little bit of Zeppelin. Zeppelin is basically the Ipython notebook with more library. So it lets you freely provide library for you to dynamically show your data, either Cassandra, Hadoop, MySQL. Okay, let's go further over here. So it supports almost everything out there. Cassandra, Lecture, Phi, Blink, Ignite, JDBC, so for Hadoop and stuff. LAN, Leave, Postgres, Python, Spark. So that's it. Back to the front page. In this scenario, I will use Postgres. So basically, let's look at the bank data. So in the bank data, we have quite a bit, like we have age, we have job, unemployed, marital, education, default, balance, and such. So we want to mine in this data. Okay. So let's do it. Okay. First of all, I want you to see. So okay. So I want to see example, like I want to see how many user, like how many bank user, right? How many bank customer, based on age. So see that I group by A, order by A. So basically, show me the 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 count for 8 on the data we have. So I want to because this is the small file, I want to import the big file so that we have more stuff, more fun to do. Okay, I load more stuff and now I run again. Now you see that it goes to 1000 now because I just load more data to have more fun to play. Okay, and of course when you want it more 8, you just add one over here. You also can do differently. Okay, you don't also can you are dynamic, try dynamically using this. So it on so basically like this. See that when I put 25, let's do this. Okay, so like previously, if you want to change the age, right, you have to change on the query, right, and you have to rerun the query. It's very inconvenient. So over here, I say, hey, give me 30, right? It go up to 30 and 50. I don't have to change my query. Okay, and over here you say 45, say 45. Okay, and I want to know only the yes. So basically the group that have more chance to bankruptcy. So basically default. Okay. Or even 55. Okay. So it's a dynamically. Okay. And then go further. You know, like I can go further. You know, I want to show bacteria. Okay. So basically, this select star. Okay, I want to select star from bacteria column. You see that there is many level and on kind of, you know, like there's patient ID, bacteria name, tax level, column, percent, and time, right? So so that's why we're here. Say, hey, I just show me on up the bacteria and on up the value in bacteria for one sample, okay? And you see that on level 6, you see level 6, level 5, level 4, you see level 4, level 5, you see level 5. And it lining fast. So, okay. And then you want to, and now we go to the stock market. So basically this is the file that I loaded from Yahoo API. So the Yahoo API, they give me the historical data, stock data of my company, Lindsay Corporation. So we have like day open, price, high, low, you know, glow, volume, adjustment glow, something like that. Okay, now uh, I go to setting, right here, scar. Okay, I want to see the stock price. I go to setting, I move to day, and instead of volume I move to open it the price, right? And you see like just like that, and you can see that, you know, on day the price is this, right? On this day the price that, you know, just like that. Let's go to non data sets. So in this one I show you uh, the cancer data. Okay, so this is the cancer data. The malignant cancer is number 1 and the 0 is benign. The class here 0 for malignant and 0 for benign and 1 for malignant. You see that it not tell you anything until you setting it correctly. Okay, in this case we want the key is class, right? And the value we want to do like thickness, right? Cell size, shell sharp, adhesion, epithelial, cell nuclei, chromatin, and something like that. You know. Okay. Look good. So now you see that they're quite different, right? So go to setting. You put a job, calcium. Yes. So basically, you also see that on the color and management there is a huge number of people borrow money. So maybe there is your great potential customer so far. You cannot do anything with it. The same as technician. Maybe you have to look something further. So in this case, I want to look further into like, hey, how about comparing but between the default, right? And how about calculate the percent of the default, right? Because this is number and this is not number. So that's why I think I should do a little bit twist to make it more sense. Okay. Now, you see that the percent of default will show really big on the entrepreneur. Right, over here the entrepreneur is not really borrow a lot of money. Maybe they borrow you don't have a lot of entrepreneur customer, but maybe they borrow a lot of money, and that's why the percent of them to be default really high. So if you look at the picture here, you maybe miss something over here, right? You put column here. So you add one more layer into the game, right? Maybe 90 too much, 80. Yep. So basically this column is represent for no default. So good one. Okay, we just go through the demonstration, quick look up what's going on visualization. Now let's go a bit deeper to machine learning, real stuff. Okay, let's go like this so that we can open new tab. Okay, so now I open the Ipython now. So now you go to Ipython world. To execute it, you just control enter, right? Control enter. Okay. So basically, I reload everything again. Okay. And to show you what data look like, so basically I have, like I said before, I got the Postgres database already have data. So I pick thickness, cell size, cell sharp, adhesion, and shut, so that I want to run some machine learning on this one. Okay. Remember last time we okay. So on this one is attribute reduction. Example, like there is a attribute you see above 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I want to reduce it into only 4. Okay, like this, right? We can go over here. Remember this: cell size, cell shape, bare nuclei, and normal nuclei. Okay, cell size, cell shape, bare nuclei, and normal nuclei. Okay, I go over setting. I say cell size, cell shape, bare nuclei, and normal nuclei. You see that there's a kind of separate, a kind of very huge differences, right? Okay, so if I say, if I want 5, right, 6, okay, and 7, okay, maybe plum chromatin is just added, so 6, nope, 7, no nuclei, adhesions, sharp, cell APT, okay, maybe cell AP cell side, okay, let's check on AP cell side. So you see that the AP cell side is not huge different, right? So maybe that is the reason. It's not something that they pick. So not only that, because machine learning is complicated, you know, you can try many different ways, right? You can try many different ways to finding to filter which one is significant and which one is not. Okay, you also can see it over here as well. You know, you can validate your finding over here as well, right? So you see that when I put number 1, number 2, I can see they clearly different on 2 area, right? And the same over here, you know, when you see that when I put the different number, you can see the different one, right? But when I select the one that, like, I can select like A, mitosis, right? It's not very like separate. But when I say bare nuclei number 5, right, and normal cell nuclei number 7, right, or 1 cell shape and bare nuclei 5, 1, okay. Or over here you say like let's go a bit further. Let's go a bit further like this one. Okay. So basically this one is okay. Now you go to prediction. Okay. So basically you put on your attribute here. In this case, I want to put on this attribute because I believe. Okay, let's do 2 first. Okay. Okay, so basically over here, put 2 attribute, right? It will calculate me the R square. So basically R square, if R square equal 1, that'd be perfect, okay? But R square equals 7 or something like it kind of very good. So you can choose the 3 classification method. It can show you what the prediction look like. Okay. Okay. Now we select the 3, you know, and then we go to the 3 to extract it. Okay. And now if I use the 3 classification, right, I expect it very high. Correct. Okay. Um, and just like that, if you use different method, you maybe had lower. Okay, it got higher. Wow. Okay, good. Yep. Just like that, you also can save it. You click here, it will save exactly where you want to save. Okay, and now go to the regression multi-line linear. So, like if I want you to use this type of stuff, to basically, this is more about regression. You because the previous one I showed you the classification, and this one is regression. You basically you measure exactly number. So give you example. If I use cell sharp, cell adhesion, and cell thick to to predict uh, cell size, right? I input this one, and this one. It will predict the cell size is 2.8, and the R square is very high, like 0.80. So basically, it's highly accurate. But if I put another guy into the game, okay, let's put another guy here. So, answer. So basically, previous one I use only 3 value to predict cell size. Now you 4, right? The ANOVA, so that it's really high, right? And coefficients is, you see only the shell shaft is significantly determine the cell size. The rest of it just contribute to the cost. Very little contribution, okay? And when you try to predict it, right, you put like 7 cell sharp, 9 cell nuclei, 2, and thickness 2. Okay, it will predict like here. Okay, based on what you just provide, it will predict the cell size in this. Okay, just like that. It dynamically gives you information and stuff. Okay, now go to something more fun. So basically, remember the previous one, I show you about the stock, right? Okay, the stock, right? So I load the whole year stock of my company, and I try to predict it by time series. Okay, let's look at it. So what I have over here is the price, right? Okay, you can see over here. So this is the price, right? This is the volume, and this is the time. Okay, just like this. So now for your example, like so if I set it in 2, you can see that the price is growing up with the time. Okay. So let's go to this one, right? So basically, based on the historical data, right, I want to predict, hey, what my stock look like on 2018. Okay, oh wow, 2018 is right here, 1 year above it. Too far. Okay, how about 2017, and very close to me is like 25. Okay, right here, I predict that on 2017 0325, my stock will be like $78. okay, based on the average. Okay, if I keep on average, I want to predict next year. So my next year, my stock will be $86. Okay, even more cool, right? I want to know, hey, I want to looking for 100, the price 90. So the price 90 is, I predict that if you want the price 90 based on the average, it happened around 2008, but on September. How about I want 85? 85, okay, 85 say around next year. If we go to 85, just like that. How about 100 right here? So maybe 100, you're looking for 100 about next 2 years. Just like that. And that's it. So you see that how the big data interpret and do machine learning and shut into very easy. So the key thing is simple, accurate, indicator with a lot of indicator to make sure that you have the right prediction, and easy, simple, dynamic, and useful, easy to deploy. That's in my goal. So like I said, I share this one with you guys. You are welcome to try it. Control enter to do with it, or you just even pick it. It's automatic because dynamic. So enjoy it and give me some feedback. So if you have anything that can make it better or fix your business stuff like that, let me know. All right. Thank you so much for your time. Appreciate it. Bye.